Today's video takes a deep look into a massive display that aims to upgrade your entertainment setup instantly. This is a 75-inch QLED 4K screen from TCL, and after spending time with it, the impression is simple. It's big, bright, feature-packed, and designed to give you a premium viewing experience for a price that doesn't feel unrealistic. This model blends size, performance, and modern smart features in a way that genuinely stands out in the current TV market. The moment it powers on, the first thing that grabs attention is how vibrant everything looks. The QLED technology provides a noticeable jump in brightness and color richness, making every movie, show, and game look more dramatic. HDR Pro Plus and Dolby Vision take those visuals even further. Highlights glow with more intensity, dark areas gain depth, and overall contrast feels balanced and refined. Whether you watch animated scenes or realistic cinematic shots, everything is rendered with stronger clarity and better separation. At 75 inches, the viewing experience becomes more immersive almost instantly. Sports broadcasts show incredible detail, action scenes feel larger than life, and everyday streaming content looks noticeably more enhanced compared to smaller screens. This size isn't just about being big. It's about making entertainment feel more responsive and lifelike. Gaming performance is another area where this display shines. With its game accelerator feature, fast-moving gameplay stays smooth, input delays are minimized, and quick motion scenes maintain clarity. Anyone switching from a regular TV will instantly feel the difference in responsiveness. Paired with the expansive screen, open-world environments, racing games, and shooters gain a new sense of scale and excitement. The Google TV interface adds a modern touch that keeps everything simple. It organizes apps neatly, learns what you like to watch, and delivers personalized recommendations that actually make sense. Navigation is quick, voice control works naturally, and switching between apps is fluid. For those using Alexa, compatibility is already built in, so smart home owners can integrate this display effortlessly. Sound quality benefits from Dolby Atmos support, offering clear dialogue and better spatial awareness. While built-in speakers can only do so much, pairing the TV with an external soundbar instantly pushes the cinematic experience to the next tier. With visuals this large, having fuller audio completes the setup. The physical design stays clean and modern with slim bezels and a sleek build that blends well in any room. Despite its accessible pricing, the TV doesn't look cheap or bulky. It appears more premium than expected, and the remote follows the same philosophy. Straightforward layout, dedicated shortcuts, and fast access to essential streaming apps. The value proposition here is the biggest highlight. Getting a 75-inch QLED panel with Dolby Vision, Atmos, Google TV, gaming enhancements, and a polished design at this price point is impressive. It's ideal for households that want a cinematic viewing experience without leaning into luxury tier pricing. Whether it's family movie nights, intense gaming sessions, streaming marathons, or watching live sports, the performance stays consistently strong. After testing multiple scenarios, bright rooms, dim rooms, streaming platforms, games, and 4K videos, the overall takeaway is clear. This TV delivers excellent performance for its cost. It offers the size and clarity needed for home theaters, the speed and responsiveness gamers want, and the smart features modern users expect. If you're planning to upgrade your entertainment setup or want a big screen experience that feels high-end without crossing into premium price territory, this TCL 75-inch QLED model is absolutely worth considering. The link to check it out is available in the description.